Hey, all y'all wonderful viewers, welcome back to Press Play on Life. So today's video is an extra special one as we embark on a late Christmas celebration filled with joy and warmth. Most of y'all know that I missed out on Christmas due to illness, but you know what they say, it's never too late to celebrate. Join us as we turn this setback into a joyous comeback and share the magic of a belated Christmas celebration. It's me! I'm back! Boy, did I get sick over Christmas. What I thought was just a 24-hour bug turned out to be like a whole week. Oh my gosh. So, I missed out on all the Christmas festivities. Well, you know, I did do a video for you guys every day, but the day of Christmas and then that week after, I missed our family Christmas party, but we're going down this weekend to have the big family celebration. But today, we're gonna turn the page and make up for lost time. Now, on to a delicious adventure. I'm gonna make a French pear tart. I have made this before. A couple years ago, I made a French pear tart. I already made the puff pastry. I didn't think you needed to see that. I've made that so many times. So if you want to see it, you can go watch me struggle to make it for the first few times if you want to, or go find someone else who really knows what they're doing. So anyway, join me in the kitchen right now. This is where we are. Join me in the kitchen as we make this delectable treat, one of my favorites. It's so good. The delicate taste of pears and the pastry. Oh, it's so good. It even has, I'm gonna say it, y'all will make fun of me. Frangipan? Is that what it's called? The almondy goodness in the middle. So let's go. Let's make this. Well, here's the pears. Ick. These are the ones that I used earlier. I'm still gonna use them. No need for them to go to waste. So the recipe calls for apricot jelly. I don't have that, but I did get some pear jelly at Christmas. So let's brush a little of that on top of it. I am going to try this pear tart now. All right, let's try this. That is so good. Next on our festive menu, we're gonna be building a gingerbread house from scratch. There's the house. I've already baked the pieces. We'll see how this goes. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. I baked a few of these because they kept coming out looking like they were like light switch covers.
We put frosting down here, and I could set this in here, and then we could put frosting on that edge and set it on there.
Okay. All right, and those are our support beams. And yes, my poor gingerbread house is not square.
Then we'll have to put candy canes there as the base. There, you want globs of plaster.
Yep. Quick. Support beam.
Number 2.
And the wall. Oh, we got another can, good.
works for that side. We just have to fill this with a lot of frosting.
They also are getting structural beams on the inside. Boy, this peppermint, gingerbread, and frosting smells pretty darn good. Now we just have to let it dry. Hopefully it's still standing. It's still standing. Should I pull the jar out for a minute?
Yep. This is where we want it. Well, over here. We'll hold this up. Might do it.
Careful, there's candy canes on the bottom.
Oh shoot! Just aim it on. Oh, I did. Got it out of there. Turn it back.
Ski chalet.
We have to stand up at the side of his house.
Like, that could be a paver. You broke my paper. This is actually a door.
Good, put the door back there.
On it? Or just
On it.
I think.
I almost used cardboard to hold it together.
And we didn't. It's all edible.
I wouldn't eat it, but it could be eaten.
This just brings me joy. This is cute. Our gingerbread man is putting up the Christmas lights.
Very interested.
Oh, I thought I looked. Ow. Well, good morning. Yes, I have on the same clothes as yesterday. I wanted to show you how pretty Look at that. Karen and I had a slice last night, and then we had a slice this morning. She was telling me last night, wow, this is so good, you could sell it at a coffee shop. We're keeping an eye on the weather. We're expecting a snowstorm, and you know how crazy I get when it snows. Who knows? We may get a ton. That would be so cool. Anyhow, stay tuned. Just looked outside to see if it was snowing. Can you see it? There you go. Of course, Christmas would not be complete without baking cookies. Get ready for a cookie baking extravaganza. I think I'm making two things. I'm gonna make some sugar cookies and I'm gonna make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. But let's whip up these delightful treats and indulge in the magic of the holidays together. While both of those things chill, I think I'm gonna get ready for the day. It's about time, right? We have moved on to the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Let's get them in the oven. And while those bake, let's frost all these sugar cookies.
I'm gonna do something. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to do it over here, but that makes sense.
Okay, we're all loaded up, ready to go. All right, we're headed down to our niece's house for the long-awaited gift exchange. This should be a lot of fun.
She missed.
That one I think is Grant's. This one I think is Wyatt's.
All right. I don't know why it looks like rock. Feels like rock. All right. Now here's how this works. You have to unroll it.
No ripping.
But if you rip it, you have to give it to your dad and he gets whatever comes out. And I promise it gets more interesting than the little chocolate soccer balls. How much did we put on here? They haven't even got to the first chocolate piece.
You just told me, keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping. More, put more on there. Oh, that is such cute paper. Oh my gosh.
So is this.
Love it.
Please watch and make sure they don't cheat.
This is the one I think we should be watching.
I think that's what you should.
Based off what?
It sounds like it's constantly ripping, so I don't know if I'm ripping it.
Yeah, this is that guy.
Hey, turn around and roll it back this way. How am I supposed to know if you've torn it?
Some anime guy that I don't know. Like I said, some anime guy. Or manga, whatever.
I already gave him one. He just didn't accept it.
Cat in the can.
Cat in the can.
It's a kitty.
It's a kitty. It's hot chocolate. That's the crew. What do you want to call it?
Who is it?
Now, you have a mug to drink your hot cocoa out of. Yeah, it changes.
I think you would like Stranger Things because of the nostalgic 80s,
Yeah.
but I don't think you would because it's gory.
Yeah.
It's a little...
Creepy?
Yeah, it's creepy.
It is. You did twist it all kinds of every which way.
And then rub it together so that it sticks.
Then the last part you super glued to it.
I like
Ta-da! You did it! Yay! Sweet.
Oh, those pop too, and I got nothing. Wait, hold on, Zach. This one's too ugly.
Yeah, mine too.
Got a top.
We don't have stuff on it.
Got the jokes.
What makes your Christmas presents rhyme?
Wrapping?
Yeah, wrapping paper. Wrapping paper.
She got a top.
Oh, you have to put it together?
Yes.
Oh man, lazy American.
She got the luxury set. Woo.
Made in China.
Oh, well.
These are pretty though.
These are really, really pretty.
Oh, there's an extra one.
Alright, one,
I like the bows.
Whoa!
Oh, metal.
Which of Santa's reindeer had the worst manners?
Where did the little jokes go?
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen.
Rude. Off. Rude. I got bows.
You got bows?
Got bows.
I like the bows. The bows
I
are
think the
cute.
bows are adorable.
What do you mean you didn't get
Oh.
any?
I didn't get any present,
These
no.
crowns are better.
I didn't get a crown either. Aha!
Why is it getting harder to buy advent calendars?
I don't know.
Because their days are numbered.
Well done.
Good job.
Kyle.
You're not Kyle. Crazy.
Instruction
Yes.
manual.
One more.
Has
Wow.
a disc.
Okay, we're headed home now. Look at my cute scarf and hat. I love it. We made it home from Sarah's. Well, as we wrap up our festive Christmas celebration, I just want to thank you all for being a part of it. Remember, it's never too late to celebrate, to find joy and love and peace. Hey, if you've enjoyed today's video, spread the cheer and give it a like or subscribe or share it with someone. Anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.